Hey everyone, today I am gonna walk you through the step-by-step process of getting a US B1 and B2 visa from Nigeria. It's easier than you think, so let's dive right in. First up, you need to understand what the B1 B2 visa is. The B1 visa is for business visits, while the B2 is for tourism, medical treatment, or visiting friends and family. Most people apply for a combination of both. Step 1. Head over to the Consular Electronic Application Center website and fill out the DS-160 form. Make sure you have all your personal details and travel plans handy. Once you're done, print out the confirmation page with the barcode. Step 2. The current fee is $116 and you can pay at any GT Bank branch. Remember to keep the receipt, you'll need it later. Step 3. You'll need 2 appointments. One at the Visa Application Center (VAC) for your fingerprints and photo, and another at the US Embassy or Consulate for your interview. Log into CGI Federal website to book these. Step 4. On your scheduled date, head to the VAC with your DS-160 confirmation page, your passport, and the appointment confirmation. They'll take your fingerprints and photo and you're good to go. Step 5. This is crucial. Gather all necessary documents, your passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee receipt, appointment confirmation, and any supporting documents like bank statements, invitation letters, and itinerary. Dress well and be on time. Step 6. Be confident and honest. The consular officer will ask about your travel plans, your ties to Nigeria, and your financial situation. Answer clearly and concisely. If all goes well, they'll let you know if your visa is approved. And that's it. If your visa is approved, you can pick up your passport with the visa stamp from the VAC or have it delivered to you. Remember, always check the latest requirements on the US Embassy website before you start the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.